In Creo 10, you can now specify a tool offset in the XZ plane of the NC sequence coordinate system for the area turning and profile turning steps using the user output point parameter. The toolpath output is offset by the nose radius value in the X direction, Z direction, or both X-axis and Z-axis directions. The user output point parameter provides the following benefit: flexibility to define the exact tool offset point, and ability to predict the output point in the CL data. The user output point parameter overrides the set output point parameter if any option other than known is specified for the user output point parameter.